Good morning. What's happening? Working on the Honda today, aren't we? There she is. Take the seats out. Take the carpet out. Do all that. That's the plan for now. Strip the whole car out today. It's easy taking the things apart. It's just fucking putting them back in, isn't it, later? Well, we can worry about that later. Let's start her up. And let's get going. Let's get started. We can't need to stop. The last few days the weather's been shit as well. That's what's been putting me off. Anyway. Sweet as. Figure out now to take all this out, but you know what, my head is just gone now because of that. Yeah, it's not looking good at all, is it? Before anything, strip the seats out, take the carpet out and the belts. Slowly but surely, it's a project car, will take our time. I feel bad for neglecting it now, but yeah, let's crack on with it. $14mm socket, small extension, ratchet, crocks. We've got a big issue though. This back seats under here, it's fucking damp. It's not looking good, is it? Genuinely, it's not looking good. See how like these things get to me now? My head just gone. But let's crack on. I've done that. There were two 12mm bolts on the back of the back seats, and now I want to climb back out and avoid this puddle. That's done from that side, and with these it's quite simple, you know. Do this, slot it to that way, it's out. That's done. Lovely. I'm not, you know what, I think it's giving me a more of an excuse now to strip the whole fucking thing out. Fucking hell. What the fuck? Chocolate coin. So I've had this car since June last year. I was driving it here and there. I've just left it parked up since October. Oh look who's here. Fucking Fat Harry. Fat Harry's here. No, Dallas. I'm scared. Drain the bath.
You know that
Here's Pop. क्या?
green उत्ते पे अपने को
हाँ जी.
नाल थोड़ी ये तो आ रहा है.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Can you see this edge?
Yeah.
I just need to knock it a bit.
from Japanese car owners are those two little hole things. Are they drainage systems? What we're going to do now is knock him through. Hammer, flat screwdriver. Let's see. I mean, obviously we're hoping this happens, works. If not, then we're fucked. No?
See that there?
So Dad's got underneath there.
See that?
Is it going?
I will do in a bit. So, uncle.
Do that. There you go. Carl's having a piss. The fat Harry's back.
I first stock you, but okay.
That's not good. There you go then. Done. You learn something new every day, don't you?
You can push this back in again.
Lovely. People, disconnect the airbag. Finally got the seatbelt out. This big fucker over here. It's out. Here we go. I'm back. And carpet removal time, inshallah.
There's a piece of carpet underneath the handbrake.
Where?
Underneath the handbrake.
What's up with it?
Look at the handbrake.
Yeah.
How does that bit come out?
Fuck knows. We'll do something.
I just realised.
Yeah, that part there in the middle.
In the middle.
No worries, we'll sort something out. Oh, bismillah. Oh shit. Stripped out. Just got to finish off the front end of the car now. We've done all this. It's all messed up. It's filthy. But yeah, what we're gonna get now, I can't find my Stanley knife. Hopefully this will cut the carpet. But that's the plan now, just cut through the carpet. I'll get that one out now. One split done. So we've got to split the yeah, so that's all split. Yeah, I think. Oh, I've got to go lie down over there now, haven't I? Yeah, there's a join. This is so awkward. Don't know if you can see here. Cut a little bit. This part here. And then we're going to get to the one right at the back. So, not enough lighting for the camera, so yeah, I'm trying to give you the best angles I can. I mean, look at me. What is wrong with this car, guys? I've literally stripped this fucker out, yeah. And I'm lying down in this shit heap. You know, you non-car people, you don't understand what us car guys do. You know, the love for cars is unbelievable. Yeah, if you know, you know. That's all I can say. Because a lot of you are probably just thinking, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? I get you, but you're dumb. Simple. I've got this there. You can see it's got that gap there, right? Now I'm going to try and do, you know, right at the back. Please forgive me if you can't see it because I'm trying to make this right up there, up here somewhere. I think that is the last tear we need to do. And inshallah this should be able to rip out. I fucked up already earlier. I broke the center console, so that's not good, but you know, we'll learn. So any EP3 people, if you got a center console for me, the bottom half, shout me. Yeah man. Oh, you learn, don't you? Anyway, let's carry on. I think it's all freed up from here now. So this side of things are passenger side ready to drift out. It's just the middle now. I think we are all free to start ripping it out. Just a bit. Oh, just headbutt. Just there. I think we are done. I think. As an asthmatic and a fat fuck, it's hard to sometimes do this shit. But alhamdulillah, yeah man. I think the carpet's out, and I think now just need to give you a proper once over. So yeah, let me get the rest of this carpet out first. And you can enjoy throughout this video watching a fat man trying to get out of this car. Alhamdulillah, we're doing it. So here is the inside, a carpetless and a broken center console EP3. You know what I mean? What have we done in this video? Stripped the seats out, taken the carpet out, found water in the boot. Yeah, taking the speakers out, obviously we stripped it all out. We had to took the seatbelt off, they're going to be sent off. But yeah man, I just want to say, I'm going to end it here. Thank you very much for helping me out, supporting me. You guys are helping me build my confidence on camera, do this. So yeah, thank you. Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah man, keep supporting. Appreciate you as always. Assalamu alaikum. Love. Allah Hafiz.